Yo, yo, yo.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin holding. So if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links are going out right now. There we go. I want to pin the one on YouTube here to the top of the chat, right? Bitcoin, XRP boom. Yeah, XRP boom. By the way, dude, thank you very much for the kind donation there, Jeff.
Say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Let's get rolling, man. Cheers, guys. I'm drinking tequila tonight, so pretty good. Maestro Tequilero Double Diamond. Very nice. Smooth, man. It's smooth, and it's like ice cold. Really tasty. So let's get rolling, man. Let's get rolling on crypto, right? Let's go to the screen where the magic happens. There we go. Oh, yeah, it does this every day, man. It's weird that it wants to change screens right as I start a stream. It's one of the most awkward things ever. Here you go. Yeah, Flumus says, bro. Then Produce the Beat says, what's up? So I'll say, what's up? Everyone enjoying the weekend? Yes, enjoying the weekend, man. It was fun. Played Minecraft a little bit with Jake and his server. We killed the Ender Dragon. And then I died in one of the Ender Cities and I lost the egg. So my kids started to get mad and then cry. So until that was fun. I had to log off. And then I had to go play with him with his Minecraft toys because he wanted me playing in the Minecraft computer, so that was fine. Anyways, it was pretty good. Pap says, change your mind. Bitcoin has no value. Bro, you're not going to change your mind. If you think it has no value, that's fine. Nicholas B, what's up? Madison says, Red Rocket. Red Rocket, Red Rocket. Someone come over or someone. How another way reading? Yeah. Oh, Jesus, dude, another little tag. And this is just starting. That is crazy, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Madison.
Thank you very much.
What is up? What is up? Dude. Then Beat says, excellent, 40 cent on deck. Ooh, nice. Next leg up. Yep, could be going for a new leg up. I'm the best. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. So we're going back up on market cap, right? We're still rejecting $2 trillion mark. Alts, 1 trillion, 1.09 trillion. Bitcoin, $887 billion market cap. That's where we're at, right? We acting up already? Oh, man. El Producto evening, man.
What's up?
What's up? Let's get rolling. So not a lot here that is bearish. We have the bearish divergence. Actually, downside, we did move down. Found support. Popped. It looks as though we could try to go back up again. We'll see. We'll see, right? Let's go check out the corn.
XRP, baby.
Thank you very much for that, Nicholas B.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That.
Thank you very much.
We'll do XRP right after Bitcoin, I guess. Right on. So let's get rolling, man. We're Lambo. I'm not sure. Are you guys getting your Lambos yet? Put your orders in. So, bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. Did move down, break below 46,801. I was thinking we're going to come down here for support at 45,000. It would have been really, really nice to retest that zone. But the fact that we held 46,000, it's fine. Try to go back up again. We did try to pull back down. We could do one of those things we did here, right? So go down a bit, then pump. Go down a bit, pump. We'll see. We're still bought at 68.43. There's really nothing else bullish here on Bitcoin except for the bearish divergence that we have, which has the potential of breaking us down. Now, the market conditions are extremely bullish. I think that we're seeing that even with the wick that Bitcoin had to the downside. So on that note, not a lot there, man. Just waiting for Bitcoin to decide if it's going to drop a little bit more, come test support at 45,467, or if it's just going to try to take off from here down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence. Move down, found support of the 20, got above 46,801. That's about it, though, right? Look, bearish divergence. Nothing bullish yet. It's really, from yesterday till today, there's really not a lot happening. We're live here yesterday, and we had the bearish divergence, and we might do that a bit. Did go up to that 48,000, right? Came back down. It's all good. Nothing going crazy there. Look at that. Almost spot on hit at 48,000. And then heavy rejection, right? Like I said, it would have been better if we come down here first instead of going up there. And I did say that yesterday. It's like, yeah, we could go up there and still have divergence, but, you know, it'd be much better if we come down here, find support, and then reject and try to bounce and then create something. And I think we might have created some hidden bullish divergence. And I think that's what we were like looking for yesterday. So I'm going to check real quick here. Oh, yeah, definitely. Look at that. All right. More negative momentum here. And then we're going from low to a higher point. So hidden bullish, we're bouncing on that, which is fine. And that's part of the reason that Bitcoin's getting above that 46,801. And even getting above that 20 moving average. High to low, positive is positive, high to low, neutral at 55.18. So, on that note, we are going to move on to Ethereum. There's really not a lot right now. There's no bearish divergence. We do have this strong bearish, hidden bullish, trying to get us to go back up. Market conditions are bullish. We could rally with this hidden bullish divergence. It is going to be Sunday. We have been getting some green Sundays. Hopefully tomorrow is not going to be the exception. We'll see how Bitcoin keeps on doing. Let's go check out XRP real quick. XRP because it came with a donation, right? So I'm just taking small sips of this tequila. It's really nice. Why not? You're interested. You're interested in me changing your mind? Pop? Oh, I think he already left. That's fine. XRP has no value. Change my mind. No. If you believe it has no value, I'm not going to sit here and try to change your mind. I mean, there's some discussions that are not worth getting into. Low to high. more positive, and high to a higher high. We're bought 84.91. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, still going higher. All right, by the way, cup with handle we were looking for, it's not building right because we have the cup, and so we're building a nice cup form. We haven't developed the handle yet, and we're not going for that cup with handle yet. That's okay. Right above $1.01, get above yesterday $1.17. Next target up, we're gonna have maybe some resistance here at $1.46, and if we don't, we're gonna have resistance at $1.59. That is the next target of XRP to the upside. What's my go-to drink? Whiskey. Whiskey, beer, wine, tequila, rum. I mean, I drink anything, to be honest. But most of the stuff that I have right now is whiskey and tequila. So I have 2 tequila bottles and 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 whiskey bottles, and 1 liquor 43, which is good with coffee, and then 1 orange control and Angostura bitters. And I got some couple wine bottles, and I also have what is this thing? Vermouth. I used to have vodka, ran out of that. I haven't bought any. I also have 2 bottles of gin in the fridge. So yeah. But I would say mainly whiskey. Anyways, 4-hour chart. We're looking for bearish divergence. I know, look at that, bearish divergence. It didn't take. We did go higher here. So we're going higher and higher on the RSI. So nothing bearish right now for XRP. It's doing good. It's shaking it off, man. It's shaking it off, right? It's nothing bearish, still going bullish, and the whole market's bullish. Some coins have not pumped as strong as Ethereum and Bitcoin yet, and that's what we're seeing right now. Those pumps happening, right? Look at this. We had bearish divergence. We stagnated for a bit, pumped more. Look at this, low to high. Look at this, high to low, right? High to low. So there we go. It's nice. It's a nice. I like. We are bought. We are bought at 75.89. Overbought actually, with strong bearish divergence. So potential fraction of down. So we might pull back down a bit. Could go for that 20 moving average. We have not hit it since August 13th. So yesterday at 4 or at 2. Now we're going back up a bit. So it's nice. It's not too bad, right? Yeah. Right. Guys, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord, right? So let's move on and look at Ethereum. ETH. Ethereum, 3,276. Low to high, high to low, high to low. Going back down. Not too bad. We did get close to a 382 with strong bearish divergence. We're, again, just like Bitcoin, consolidating right now, moving sideways a bit. Overbought at 70.65. I mean, we're going to have to cool off a little bit, right? So it's doing okay. But as we see, we're like pumping, rested for a day, pumped. Now we rested for a little bit more. Now we're trying to get up higher. Now we're struggling, right? We haven't really cooled off. So we could cool off a little bit. And cooling off could also mean moving sideways here. We got to consolidate a little bit more, I think, before we keep on running. We've had a good run so far. If you consider the percentage rally that it's had, it's pretty good. Mask to USD, sure. So, mask using in Coinbase. So not too bad here, right? Yo, for sure. Hit the like button. 4-hour chart, like I said, not a lot. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Here we're gonna have. Do we have hidden bullish? No hidden bullish divergence. All right. High to low, positive, high to low, neutral at 55.12. But we're really not doing a lot. We're just hitting that 20 moving average, trying to bounce a little bit higher. And that is it. There's really not a lot happening for Ethereum, just consolidating, and that is fine. Like I said, the market is really not doing a lot today compared to yesterday. At least some of the big coins are not doing a lot. Binance, 0.19% to the upside. Look at it. It's moving sideways. It did pump and then move sideways. We don't have anything bearish. Overbought at 74.52. We don't have still anything today because look at that. Spinning top today. Still in decision. Produce the beats. Thank you very much for the kind donation, my friend.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Man, that is awesome.
Thank you very much.
For that kind awesome donation. Oh, headset's about to fall. Oh, there we go. Saved it. A.B. Lopez. Hi. That's it, dude. That's it. Nothing here in the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, we're looking for the bearish divergence fraction downside. We got it on the next candle. Look at that. Boom. We'd move down and then sideways. So even the strong bearish divergence is not playing us down with a lot of strength. That's because the market is bullish. We're still above that 20 moving average. And we're sitting bought at 62.60. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Let's see if we can find something exciting today. And it's not that it's not exciting. It's just there's really not a lot happening. Bearish divergence moves sideways. My mouse is starting to go nuts. There we go. And here we go. Look at that. Bearish divergence. Strong. Move down and sideways. Low to high and then negative. Dude, more negative. Hidden bullish. Yeah, and that's part of the reason that we're also moving sideways, right? So hidden bearish. Now we're having hidden bullish. And all we're doing is, we had strong bearish. Broke down. Hidden bullish. Getting us to move sideways. Try and get above that 20, but we've just been flirting with that 20 for a long time. Bollinger Band's starting to tighten. Not over tight, but, tighten a bit more. And we're neutral at 54.47, pointing slightly up. That means we could be going up a little bit more. Crypto Rockpool, Viva Jalisco. Yeah, sure, man. Viva Jalisco. Cheers. John Lopez, what's up, my friend? Ooh, a lot of Lopez's in the house. It's a Lopez fest. At least you're all not Lozanos, right? That would have been the Lozanos party. Yeah, doesn't sound good though. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's because I'm speaking Spanish. Crypto Rockpool, man. There's Alegria. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Madison sent a kind donation. I'm not sure if he came through, but.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Madison. Thank you very much for the
much.
kind donation. I've seen it in the super chat. I don't think I heard it come through. Well, let's keep rolling. Bearish divergence. Down a bit. Sideways motion. Getting above that 20. Neutral 54.92. There's really not a lot happening here. Let's go check out XLM. XLM. Madison, should we do XLM at regular speed or you want me to go super slow like the other day? It's all good, AB Lopez. When you're in a stream and you don't know what's happening, you're gonna see this little thing that says live at the bottom. If you click there on the gray live, it puts the color on the button red, and it takes you to right now, to where we're at right now. Well, in the future now. Sideways down bit. Up. All right. All right. Low to high. Higher and higher. There's nothing bearish. We haven't had anything bearish taken off. Pumping 9.74% yesterday. Today 1.30%. Overbought at 79.15. Let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. Now look at EOS. Sure, man. Making sure. Look at EOS. There we go. Low to high. And high to low. So. Bearish divergence, man. Bearish divergence. Strong starting to build here. We have it slightly against the MACD. I'm not going to call it against the MACD because it's just developing on this candle. So I got to wait for that candle to break or, wait until it closes. But here we do have it on the other side. And we can say we have strong bearish divergence. Some potential action to the downside. Again, bearish indicators might not play out. Market conditions are extremely bullish. So I would be saying it might still be going higher. Let's bring this other chat. For some reason, it's fallen behind. Elon, what's up?
What's up?
Nothing else bullish here. So let's go check the 1-hour chart. Going higher, higher, and high to low. There's just some bearish divergence here. against. Ooh, not that tool. Against the RSI, look at that strong bearish, right? Potential fraction downside, we could come down, hit that 20 moving average at 37.52 cents. Right now, sitting at 39 cents, 39.99 cents, almost 40 cents. We were at 40 cents when we started. Also, from here we had bearish divergence, strong. Look at that. Oh no, the bearish divergence down in braces. So broke down slightly, hit that 20, bounce. More strong bearish divergence. Let's see how that goes. Mike Dutch in the house. What's up, my friend? How's it going?
What's up?
Let's roll. Let's do. All right, so bearish divergence strong, could go down, hit that 20. We'll see where that goes. Again, market conditions are extremely bullish, so we can keep on pumping. So let's go check out the Raven. So, guys, if you still have positions open, type 1. If your positions are closed, type 2. Right? 1 if your positions open, deuces. If your positions are closed, let me know. Drew Dread, what's up, my friend? Raven to the dollar. Ooh, Elon close positions. Keenan, Jake, 1 position. All right. Mike Dutch is saying peace and love. I'm not sure if he's saying peace and love or deuces. So, MA says Juan. Juan is not in here, man. Going higher, higher, and higher, dude. Raven, it's fine. It's already taken off, so it doesn't matter if we had bullish divergence or not. It's higher, right? Hit resistance at the 236 and rejected it not once but twice. Still holding support above that 382, sitting at 14.75 cents. It looks like we could go for a retest of 14.36. Nice impulse up. Consolidation starting to happen. Once we finish consolidation, we could go for the next leg up, and that would try to get us above that 236, around 17.55 cents. Right? Craggery, what's up, man? Heading solid with solid base? Yeah. Ryan, what's up, dude? Let's go and check the 4-hour chart. Right, low, high, positive, more positive, and then high to low here. Very, very slight.
Check out Card Starter and Oracle less than at A to small caps.
Ooh, awesome. Thank you very much for that, my friend.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary Crypto Rock.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Appreciated. Yeah, I'll check it out after Ravencoin, right? For sure. So we got a request to check something out. We'll do it in a second. Low to high, negative, more negative, right? Also, low, lower low, hidden bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and that's going to give us some consolidation, right? We can move sideways, try to reverse trend, and try to pump up a little bit. We'll see if the bullish divergence comes into play. We need to get above that 20 moving average and then get above this previous high here, right, at 16.63 cents. Neutral at 52.12 on the RSI, pointing down a little bit, meaning we're not really looking for a recovery yet, but we do have that divergence, and it could start to develop. We could even have it. We could still drop to this area here, right, the 382, and still have that divergence and then pump from there. Drew Duran, what is good, homie? Oh, dude, it's good. I can tell you that for sure. It's fun. Everything is good. Everything is awesome. Drinking tequila, having fun. It's good. Feels positive. Dude. Look low, lower low, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. Nothing against the RSI, man. Neutral at 41.97. It's not too bad, right? Nexo, boring? Yeah, man, Nexo, yeah. They use your crypto as collateral. I think that's how they roll, right? They let you use money, but you're basically putting your crypto as collateral, and as soon as you cannot pay, they just basically take your crypto from you, which I think is an interesting way to do their business model. Anyways, check out Car Starter and or OCCA. ADA small caps. So Card Starter, I think it's cards. So we'll check out Car Starter. Right. Put it here on the list. So Raven, then use cards. There we go. So cards on the daily. Last time we looked at this, we had that bullish divergence pumping on that. Looks okay. Dude, look, we're still coming lower. Dude. Coming lower, and then so we'll leave it here to where we have it. And then we'll go here. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Pumping with the rest of the crypto market. Maybe pumping because ADA is doing really good, right? So if this project is pegged to ADA, could be rallying because of that. 23% 2 days ago, then today, well, yesterday and then today, 14% right now, and another 2.82% already. It's not too bad for Car Starter. Not a lot here on the daily though, right? Not a lot on the daily above 786, so we should be targeting that 618 at 1.18 cents. Right now we're sitting at 0.9 cents, almost 1 cent. Low, lower low, negative, positive, low to high, right? Bullish divergence, strong. 4-hour did have something for this move. So we found the reason why we're pumping. We had bullish divergence, right? And now we're going higher. Higher and higher than ever. Ain't that great? There we go. Right on. Ooh, there we go. Now it anchored. We're still going high, and now we're starting to come low. So that means we're losing momentum, and we're losing relative strength. So we're creating strong bearish divergence. With that, the possibility for a downturn, right? This has been pumping strong. We need to get cool off, right? Even consolidation or cooling off would be nice. So we are again pumping still on this 1 hour. Sorry, this 4 hour could be coming down, heading for that 786, maybe the 20 moving average. That 20 moving average at 7 cents. Sorry, 0.7 cents. And with that, again, could be cooling off a little bit, right? So can you keep on pumping? If ADA keeps on running, it can. But cooling off is good. We need to get these breaks like here, even if it's for a candle or two of quick consolidation for a rally, right? So we've rallied again. We need to get some consolidation. Saki, thank you very much for being here, man.
What's up?
What's up back at you, my friend? What's up back at you? Let's keep rolling. Let's keep doing this, man. Change something real quick. Right on. Let's keep doing this. 1 hour, low to high. High to low, bearish divergence. Strong. Did it break us down? Not yet. It did move us down a bit, but it's not breaking us down. So, reason behind that is because I think we have some hidden bullish divergence on the prior dip. So the dip here. And I'm going to look for that in a second, but look at this move high to low. Strong bearish divergence, moved down a bit, but from here to here, I'm positive there's hidden bullish almost. So let me just zoom in here. There isn't. And here, there isn't. My eyes lied to me. See, that's why I zoom in sometimes. That's pretty good. I thought we had hidden bullish. We don't have it, so we don't have anything bullish right now. We did bounce after we hit the 20 here. That is fine. Again, bearish divergence could drop to that 20 if we felt to get higher than the previous high. Getting above this previous high here at 9.33 cents could be getting us to go even much higher still. Bought at 73.99, and on that note, cards is not doing that bad, right? I'm not seeing any other pattern here that we should be worried about. 1, 2, I mean, yeah, we could say we're doing a sort of through rising valley pattern, but I would rather wait a little bit more on this one to be confirmed. We need to break this confirmation line, and we need to see a good rally happening right after that, right? So why am I saying that? Because we have our first valley here. 2. This will be our third valley, but I don't like the way this valley looks. I also don't like the way this peak looks, but you know, it could be that we're making a sort of 3 rising valleys pattern, and that could be aiming for like a 33% rally. Potentially, that's where they target, at least on stocks. Wonder if Doge gets to $1. I'm not sure, Kelton. That'll be pretty interesting if it does get there, right? Let's see for cards. Oh, thank you very much for that, Crypto Rock Pool. Let's check Ren. Rented $1 at 52.74 cents. On the daily, bullish divergence, pumping, doing okay. Now we're going higher, still coming lower here. So starting to create some bearish divergence in Rent. Ooh, you don't want to do that. I didn't want to do that, my friend. There we go. So bearish divergence strong. All right, go from high points to low points. And with that, potential fraction and downside. We are bought at 69.25, so it's not that bad. So we'll see, right?
Can you check out Occamfi? Also ADA stuff.
Yo, thank you very much for that. Much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very
yes,
much.
check out Occamfi and ADA. ADA's right after Ren, so we'll do ADA, and then we'll do Occam, right? So. So let's see if we can find Occam here. You know what Occam's razor is, by the way? Anyways, higher, lower, and lower. Bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We could be going for that 20 moving average if the market decides to drop. But again, the market is extremely bullish, so I'll not be putting a lot of weight on that bearish divergence yet. Strong bearish divergence in the 4 hour. That's the second bearish divergence that we're finding. And like I said, the market conditions are extremely bullish. So I'll just be like, this to me is just like, oh, we might go down, right? So if it does go down, it's just have a plan. And that's all this tells me, right? Because it's so bullish that it might not play out, right? It might dip a little bit. You could get to add a little bit more at a lower value before it keeps on running. I skipped Dent. Oh, you're right. I skipped Dent. I'm sorry, my friend. I'll go, well, ADA came with a donation, so I got to do ADA after Ren and Occam because they both came with a donation. Then I'll do Dent after, right? So we'll move Dent here. I'm sorry, my friend. You are correct. Skipped it. My bad, man. Yes, that is correct. You got it, my friend. You got it. All right. Occam's razor means that the simplest explanation is often the correct one. People tend to overcomplicate stuff. And that applies in crypto trading also. A lot of people try to overcomplicate it with too many indicators, overloaded charts. Good. Keep it simple. Low to high. High to low. Nothing. Low to high need. All right, there was some hidden bullish for that rally to happen, so it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Here, so hidden bullish, pumping, then strong bearish, potential action down. So we might go down. If we do move down, we're probably going to go for that 51.68 cent, right? So not too bad. If it hits $1, it won't go much higher. Probably a lot of people are going to be selling at $1, man. Let's roll into ADA. So Ren, a lot of bearish divergence, right? Just watch out. Might move down a bit. Would not necessarily be the end of the world. ADA, $2.18. Dude, pumped again today. Haven't heard of the other razors. I'm not sure what the other razors are. Mask's already in the list. Andrew, thank you very much for asking. By the way, I think I'm going to close requests. I mean, no more coins. We do have a couple of requests lined up. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to go through those. So just gonna put no more coins for now, and then we'll see once we get to the end of the stream. We're going to be taking on more coins. Lower bullish divergence, pumping. Very nice. Still managed to pump. 2.34%. At some point in time, it was almost heading for its 100% high. Remember I told you guys yesterday, there's not a lot of friction. There's no reason why ADA could not be reaching this area. Look at that. 1 day later, boom, we're there. We've been talking about that since we broke this area, and I told you guys we're breaking this area. There's no reason why we should not be going up there. It's just no friction. It's frictionless, right? So pretty good ever since we broke here the 236. Nothing bearish. Overbought at 88.08. So you gotta wait for that to play out. Just highly overbought. Whatever more markets and in extremely bullish conditions, overbought markets can stay overbought. Sorry about that. Got tongue twisted. We're looking for bearish divergence. We did get a red candle. That's it. We kept on pumping, and if we just drag this on, you're gonna notice that we're still holding on to this bearish divergence. That means we're still looking for a potential movement down. Starting to lose that steam, at least by the looks of this, and it would not be bad if we go to that 20 moving average at $1.98. Find support and bounce. Maybe create some strong, or not some strong, some hidden bullish. Because then we'll be going from this low to a higher low. And we'll be going with negative momentum to probably more negative momentum. Look at where we're at on the RSI, right? We're losing. Oh, shit. It's not letting me anchor. There we go. We're losing that positive momentum. So we got to start making negative momentum. So if we go down a little bit, bro, will we be making that divergence? And then things could, this could lead. I see not deleting this thing. This could lead for, to where we see ADA pump up a bit more, and that would be good, right? We're bought at 76.79, so we also got to cool off on that RSI on the 4 hour. So not too bad here, man. Not too bad. Hold this anchor. Yep. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour, we had bearish divergence, looking for that action down. We still pumped a little bit more. We still kept that bearish divergence, hit that 20, pop more, right? So we were already looking for this yesterday. Now, what happened? We hit more strong bearish divergence. But look at that. The strong bearish divergence gets us to move down, but not below the 20 moving average, right? We've been holding on support there very, very strong. That is good. However, the more we test it, the more likely we are to break it. So we really need to find that strength to get away from it. That we need to see a pump. We're starting to see tightness in the Bollinger Bands. That means volatility is leaving the market, and we could expect a wild swing. So if this wild swing comes to the upside, man, we're going to move away from that 20. And then we're really holding extremely bullish, because you can see that ever since we broke above that moving average on the 12th at 6 p.m., we just hit that 20 consistently, but we're not breaking below it. ADA looks strong. However, that strength, it could be waiting, right? We're not really pumping from that 20 moving average. Now that the Bollinger Bands are tightening, hoping it could go much higher, right? That's what I'm looking for. Low to high, negative, dude, more negative. Yep, hidden bullish divergence, right? That's part of the reason that we're holding on to that 20. Right? Part of the reason that we're holding on to this 20 moving average, man. Not too bad. Neutral at 55.69 on the RSI. Pointing slightly up, not with a lot of strength. So again, we could just keep on consolidating for a little bit more until we finally decide to break either way. Hidden bullish again. Sideways motion, potential action to the upside. We'll see how this behaves. And thank you everyone that's watching. We're lacking on the likes, but if you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. We're building one of the most awesome crypto communities out there. We cannot do it without you guys. You guys are part of this, and that is why this community is so amazing, because we have people that come here every night, people that chat it up, people that, bring ideas, they post on the Discord. We have such an awesome community going on here. It is like a small crypto family, and that is pretty awesome. And someday this family will have to grow, right? Which is just pretty cool. So on that note, let's move on and do Ocam. All right, so is it with 1M? So it's not gonna be here. OCC, that's the ticker. And there, I'm gonna go with this contract. We'll see how that's working. So here comes Racer Newton's flaming laser sword. Something cannot be settled by experiment. Is not for debating. All right. That is interesting. I never heard of that one. That's a pretty good racer, I guess. Oh, crud. This one looks horrible. All right, let's go to look at another OCC. We'll go look at wet. Or look at that. This wet OCC. Drew says you're always here in the shadows. It's like the 7-Eleven. He's not always open, but he's always doing business. Look at that. All right, so we are trying to get above, or we have gotten above that 236 and heading for that 382 right now. Very nice rally, 15% yesterday, starting to pump 1.55% today. So, I haven't done the mask yet, dude. We have not gotten to it. So, bought at 59.75. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, look, low to high, high to low. That's it. Bearish divergence, strong. I'm going to ignore the small island here because that separation doesn't seem to be strong. So all I'm going to do is just say, yeah, all right, I'm not going to consider that to be a valid separation. So we're just going to go with this and say, yo, look at this. Right, so let's go to the 1-hour chart now and figure out what's happening here. We don't have anything here. There's nothing that is bullish for now. Something happened here. Let's play this track. I like this one. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Yeah, there's really nothing bearish right now. There's some slight bearish divergence, but this candle's still going. So high, higher high, high to low, and high to low. I would just be careful right now. That divergence could trigger a small move down. But again, market conditions are extremely bullish for this. Look at how it's gone up, right? It's pumped a lot in the last couple of days. Even here, 29%, right? A couple of 7, 1, 15, 3. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So. Right. That's all I'm saying right now. There's nothing bearish, not an old project. Most of its value has been a little bit higher from where it's at right now. So, yeah, all we can do right now is try to reclaim higher levels of value, right? So that's what I'm looking at here on OCC. Dude, Crypto Rug Pool, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. Hopefully, Ocam is able to find something on bullishness and pumping that, right? Look, low, lower, low, negative, less negative. There was some bullish divergence here on the daily. But that's it. I mean, this is already playing out, right? There's nothing else happening here besides that divergence. Neutral 59.75. That is it for Ocam. Up next, Dent. Jesus has been away the past few days. Yeah, I think Jesus is not happy because he's a perma bear and the market's pumping. So you notice how he goes away when the market rallies? He only comes here to talk about Bitcoin down when the market's going to crash. And that's debt is just pumping insanely high. So if I find anything bullish here, it's not going to do us any good. What we need to do for Dent is we already got some of this thing happening here. We had fibs, right? Low to high on a different time scale. The only thing I can do here is just extend these fibs on that same level to see where we're at. Oh, these fibs were higher. Let's get rid of this fibs. We need to get this fibs going. It's around there. All right. So we can even do this one. We'll do them fresh because this might be too old. The fibs. Go from this high point here to this low point there. We're bouncing. We got above the 236 yesterday. 2 days ago. Today, reaching a 382 and trying to pump higher still. So pumped. What was this? 34% yesterday, 37% today, and then 7% already for tomorrow. So not too bad. But again, this ship has already sailed. Look at the parabolic movement it's doing. It's not looking too bad. Madison, thank you very much for the kind donation.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That's awesome.
Thank you very much.
That's awesome. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, still going higher, right? Starting to develop some bearish divergence here. Ooh, why did the song stop after that track? So it's kind of weird. Bearish divergence strong, potential action to the downside, right? Potential action to downside. Hopefully we're not going to move down with a lot of strength, and we could see these going up a little bit more. I'm trying to find a song that I like. It's called Canu Sleeves. Canu Sleeves. It's free. And it's awesome. Now you can't find it. Where's Canu Sleeves? There we go. I like this one in Roblox. They're pretty good. You see on the 1 hour, we'll see Dent right now, bearish divergence, not looking too bad. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, there's bearish divergence strong. There was hidden bullish, right, for the pump. Select track. It's like, it sounds like the sound, like a dirty sound, like but it's so cool the beat that it has to it. So I like it. Stop loss exit. Yeah, I guess you should put a stop loss here. I mean, just in case it drops too much, though, right? That's the only thing I would suggest. There's strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. If we do drop, you're gonna be looking for support right now. Today's 382, and if we drop there, the 20 moving average would be the next support here for Dent. So it's not really looking too bad, right? It's not looking too bad because you do have support. But again, it's up to you, man. I'm not sure what your entry level is. You should have a sort of strategy as to where you're looking to take some profit. If you're already doubling your money, dude, you can take out a little bit of money. If you're tripling your money, you can probably take out your initial capital and still just play with the house's money and still be good, and then just save that initial capital and put it into another project that hasn't pumped yet. So, very interesting. Let's go and do a mask. But before I start mask, I'm gonna get myself a little bit more tequila. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm just gonna leave the mask here up, and I'll be right back. It's gonna take like about a minute or so. So I'll be right back. I'm back. Let's keep rolling. Wow, dude, a lot of people can't take the be right backs. Like, we were at 35, now we're back down to 28. We lost like 7 people in the be right back. That is crazy. I just start with 6 tequilas now. I enjoy it. Like, this is like you don't shoot tequila, you sip it, dude. It's like, you used to shoot tequila because the old tequila was like bad quality stuff, right? So now tequila has become like more refined and there's more control and stuff like that. It's not such a bad thing to sip on. Some tequilas are good to sip on, just like some, you know, sip on whiskey and stuff like that. So this is a pretty good one for sipping. So I like this one. Right. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to mask. I searched for mask. I didn't leave it up. Here we go. Mask. $6.86. So 2 people have asked for mask. We're looking at it right now. Dude, look at that. It's recovered. Yay. Very nice. Dude, rejecting it 786. So not too bad, but right now we're rejecting it also today. Consultation still going on. Nothing bearish. Bought at 60.53. So, you know, looking for a move. We're tightening of sorts. Not the Bollinger Bands, but, you know, the moves are not very strong right now. Let's go to the 4 hour. See if we can find something here. Yep, barely there. And if you don't want to consider this to be going from negative to less negative, we can just say it's moving sideways. And that is fine with me. If that's moving sideways, we have... Oh, sorry, we don't have it. I was looking for divergence, but we don't have that. We have it against the R side, though. I thought we were going to have it here in the MACD, but no, just on the other side. There we go. Hidden bearish. It's hidden bullish. Not bearish, hidden bullish. Like that. Bullish. So potential action to the upside, right? That's what I'm looking for. So not too bad. High to low, low to high. Hidden bearish, right? Stagnation. We're still above that 20. Strong hidden bullish and hidden bearish. So it's not like, you know, they're canceling each other. That's why we're moving sideways still. Above that 20 moving average. So really, I mean, so long as we stay above that 20, we're okay, but we don't have like strong bullish or anything like that. We're just consolidating. Tequila is a place in Jalisco. Yes, I know. I'm from Mexico. Get drunk on the sidewalk in Tequila. Ooh, nice. I'm not from Tequila. I'm from Mexico. Yeah. This stuff is from the 4 hour. I just forgot to anchor it. Yeah. Look at that. I forgot to anchor it. Yay. Yeah, for the fail to anchor, man. There we go. Look at that. Great. Right on. There we go. Now it's clean. Let's go and chart the 1 hour on mask. Just so y'all know, the place in Tequila. Yeah, there's actually a tequila train. A lot of people get wasted there. So we don't have anything bullish or bearish. Look, low, high, positive, more positive, low on the other side, higher point. So nothing bearish here. Low, lower low, right? Negative, more negative, low, lower still. At least from here to here, there's nothing. And then this last bit, dude, we created some hidden bullish. That's about it. Hidden bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside, maybe sideways motion. Sideways, going up, hitting that 786 and rejecting slightly. So, not really like super strong moves, but low to high. Neutral at 46.58. Not a lot happening here, man. That's because your favorite place in Mexico? Sup open? Alright. You've been to Mexico. Either you've been to Mexico or you're from Mexico, so I'm not sure. Where's Lionel? I'm not sure, bro. I haven't seen Lionel in a couple days. Mr. Kennedy, what's up, my friend? Control 46.79. Let's do EOS. EOS to the dollar. $5.54. Let's go here on the daily. Dude, EOS. All right, we haven't looked at EOS in a while. So we had the same bullish divergence as the rest of the market had, which is fine. I mean, I'm just gonna draw it because, you know, we're here, but we've seen this across a lot of projects. So really not excited to see it. Like, it's not surprising that we're finding it. It looks okay. That's about it. Yo, Mr. Producer the Beats. What's up,
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very
Awesome.
much.
Thank you very much. That is pretty cool. We're going higher and higher and higher, and there's nothing bearish, and we're just overbought at 76.42. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's his smiling face with hard eyes. Nice. High, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing bullish here. High, higher, high. More positive and higher. In the last bit, there's nothing. And then this tiny, tiny fraction here. Would you look at that? We have some diversions. Let's get this going here on the 4 hour. And say, yo. Divergence. Overbought at 72.66. That's it. All right, some bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside. Something else. Where will it go? Well, 786 will be a target, and then the 20 moving average will be a target at $5.01. Right now, we're sitting at $5.55. That'll be about a 10% drop from where we're at right now. Would that be bad? Not necessarily. Would it drop that hard? Probably not. We have support here again at the 20 moving average, $5.32. It's not that big of a drop here. Look at this. We still have this divergence, low to high. And then high to low, right? There it is. Look at that. There it is. Blam. Bought at 67.12. Strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction to the downside. That we found it on, a couple moving. What was it? The 1 hour and the 4 hour at least. And then I can't remember if the daily had it. So I think the daily was probably clean. Yeah, the daily was clean. It's looking good. Again, a lot of things are pumping, right? It's a good time for crypto. It's one of those times where everyone's a genius, everyone's buying crypto, everyone's doing good, so it's all good. We've been live for about an hour. He'll just paid a bunch of money to settle a class action lawsuit. Ooh, that's interesting. SEC was scoping in on Ethereum. I think they already declared that it was not a security a while back, so I'm not sure what they're scoping into for Ethereum. But I don't think they should have jurisdiction on that area. I think we already talked about that a while back, so need to sit down real quick, guys. It's been a long day, but it's fun. Is that a crypto Bitcoin monthly glance? Yeah, sure, man. We can do that. Let's go here on the monthly. The monthly. It's getting a month. Look at that. It's a powerful month. It's going up. Yeah, bearish divergence, moving this down now with nothing bullish. We're still trying to reclaim higher urgent value. Very nice move. Bitcoin didn't go to that 20 moving average. That's fine. We're still trying to rally. Second month on the green. That's good. Let's hope we just didn't ruin it by talking about it beforehand. Craig Brown. We're buying. They're buying. I'm selling now. Yes. You selling the way up. You buying the way down, right? Taking any more coins, any chance? Checking Cody. Dude, I'm not taking any more coins, but I would check out Cody. Right, just because I just sat down. So it's just going to be chill for a couple minutes and then I'm going to sign off. So a lot of fun today. A lot of projects. Wife does want to watch something, so I'm going to go watch a movie in a second. See, what's up, my friend? Your prediction 40K was close. Your prediction was 47,420. And I think closest one for last week, which is when we were talking about it. I think we were talking about Tuesday or something like that. I think it was Bring Facts that was closest. Bring Facts, and then it was you, I think. Or you were probably Bring Facts. I can't remember. But we did talk about that. All right, so Cody. Let's check it on the daily, man. This is the one we look at. Yes, it's dropped a lot since we had that bearish divergence. So first things, let me just make sure this doesn't have anything. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's go with this. Same bullish divergence that everyone and their mothers had. So there we go. Bullish. All cryptos show this move, right? It was like a thing that the whole market made at the same time. And then since then, the market started to move up. So it's going higher, higher, and higher. There's nothing bearish. We're bought at 75.39. We should refib this just because I know we're getting new data in here. So let's go from the high point here and the low point there. We're getting above that 236, so we should be heading for 382 at 25.50 cents. Right now, it's sitting at 21.96 cents, so not bad. Let's go here on 1 hour. You can never read charts if it was not for me. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that. That is awesome. I'm teaching people to read. It's so cool. You're no longer, what do you call people that don't read and write? An alphabet? I'm not sure. That's probably in Spanish only. Illiterate. You're no longer charty illiterate. That's it. I remember the word. I had to search for it in my brain. After you started watching me, you started to look at Church Coffee. Oh, that's awesome, bro. No, I don't, Dirk. A lot of people have asked for it. Yeah, I haven't had time to do those. I will eventually. It just takes time to make those videos. I made one as a test video. Didn't roll. So it was a good short video. I just didn't have time to keep on making those series on resistance and supports, which is the first thing that you need to know. And then we pair that resistances and supports. There's a couple resistance and supports, right? You're gonna have your horizontal resistance and support. You're gonna have your moving average supports and resistances. You're gonna have your fib nodes support and resistances, and then you're gonna have your trend line supports and resistances. At least those four are your main types of supports and resistances that you can find. Now, when you find those and you look for like confluence, right? You might have a fib that maybe goes from high to low here real quick, right? Just to get some fibs to the upside. You might get something that matches with this fib, then you're probably gonna have a double resistance at that point. So I was doing that, and then I was gonna pair that with divergences, so you could see where the chance the market changes direction. Because that's what we look for when we have divergences. We're looking for a change in direction of the market. And then I was gonna do types of pattern formation, and that's it. But yeah, not a lot of time to go through that. Look at Binance. I already looked at Binance, so I'll just do it in a recap. Flick the wall behind me? Why? Not gonna flick the wall behind me. I already established that that wall is a blue screen. But I already showed you the thing the other day. Look. There we go. I flicked the wall. I'm not sure why you guys want me to flick that wall, but I did. I touched it. Look. There you go. You are a chart. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. You're a scholar, my friend. Thank you for being here. You miss raining? Huh. Of course, it's not gonna do anything, man. It's not gonna move. How are you expecting it to move? It's a huge structure I made. It's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. Cody, let's go to the 1 hour, man. Low to high, high to low. Right on. Look at this. Boom. Blam. And that's it. There we go. So there's divergence, action down, so moving down. Low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. And that's it, dude. There's really not a lot happening with Cody. Just sideways motion. Tightest of the Bollinger Bands. You could get an explosive move. It could go either way, right? It could pump up or down. As you can see, we're just moving sideways. We're below that 20 moving average. Struggling with it. So like I said, not a lot happening with it. And that's it for Cody. Let's go back to, I guess it was Binance. That was, or as a recap. It's just chill right now. Chill recaps, that's it. Craig Brown says, I prefer that over YouTube. Yeah, I know. How many screens am I using? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Right, so that is it for our Binance, right? Hidden bullish, sideways motion. Struggling with the 20 moving average. That's about it, though, right? Madison says, smiley face with the money eyes. Thank you very much for that, Madison.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yo. Yeah. That's it. I got 4 streams. I'm not sure why the question, but that's usually how I stream. Yeah, I can see YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, OBS, chat, chart, Discord, music, sound mix, coin list, and music playlist. That's basically what my chart looks like. So it's pretty interesting. Or my screens look like. And I got friends that use 8 monitors. Can you believe that? 8 freaking monitors. What do you do with 8 monitors? Well, you probably work for aviation or something. I'm kidding. That's it, dude. Some hidden bullish potential action to the upside 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence strong. Sideways motion at least. Have not dropped with a lot of strength. And on the daily, we don't have anything. We're clear for more action to the upside if you wanted to. Resistance here at these 382 at $431.63. Right, so good. What else? What else are we gonna do, man? I noticed that, like, I have my camera set up since I'm doing most of my streams standing up. I set up for standing streams. Now that I sit down, I notice that I'm like, I'm a tiny person here. I could lower the desk a little bit more, but then everything is too low here. But that's fine. I guess I could work with this at least slightly, and I don't look that bad. I can go like this and like not getting cut off by the camera. I missed Ava pair on Binance. Right, man. You know, I'll just do that one real quick, but that's it, dude. No more coins after Ava, right? Just because you came in and asked nicely. You're semi-regular, I'll do it. If you're not a regular, I'll probably just skip it, but let's go do Ava to the dollar. $2.70. Oh, look at that. It's pumping. It's Mary Pumpkins. Ooh, we should make that a crypto character. Mary Pumpkins. Some Bitcoin lady that comes with, you know, an umbrella and makes the sour things go away, right? Or with a teaspoon of crypto. No, we'll call her Mary Pumpkins. I claim that. I stake that name. What is it? I copyrighted that now. Don't use it. You'll be more here if you didn't live in the UK. Oh, that's awesome, bro. Cheers. Crypto puffs. Right. Anyways, that's it. Bearish divergence, potential action and downside right on the daily. We might move down. How much are we gaining now? Hello. Late tonight, celebrating my ADA wins. Someone else's engagement party. That is awesome. Drink all their booze, Steve. Drink all their booze. Pumping, getting to a 236 and rejecting, right? So we need to get above that 236 at $2.74, and then above there, next resistance, $3.42 at the 382. Yeah, he fell in a spelunking accident. He already told you that, May. Steve, let's share that profits once you find his stuff. Let's go here in the 4-hour, man. He didn't tell you who was with him when he was spelunking and he fell. And his ledger fell in someone else's pocket. Don't worry, your crypto's lost forever, May. It's all good. Bearish transaction downside, hitting that 20. Waiting for a pump. Low to high. Negative, less negative, low to high. He said that's someone else's engagement party. That is awesome, dude. Control 59.69. Give him some crypto as a anniversary or whatever gift. Wedding anniversary. Yeah, whenever their wedding is. Give him crypto. Be like, here, I'll give you $200, $500, $1,000 worth of something. And then be like, hold it. Because it might be worth a lot more later on. It'll be worth millions. Give him ADA. High to low, and high to low. There's nothing bullish or bearish here, right? Low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower still. From the previous low, low to high, negative, less negative. Nothing bullish or bearish, just sideways motion. Ava's consolidating. It had the bearish divergence, moved down, hit the 20, rejected lower prices. That means it's still bullish. Although it doesn't have any bullish divergence, it is trying to hold the higher areas of value, right? He's not counting. He might have a stroke from the risk. All right, give him some DeFi stuff. Right, so not a lot of movement, right? Since we started the stream, it's a chill hour so far. Look at that, the last couple hours just moving sideways. That's from the hidden divergent. And it's pretty good. Can you do some TA on Hex, dude? Bro, I already closed the list. DCS. I really appreciate it, but if you come in tomorrow and ask for it, I'll definitely check it out. For today, that is gonna be it, dude. I have to get going. It's 10:16. Gotta go watch something with the wife. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us in the Discord. Link is in the description. Also went out on top of the, sorry, not in the description. Went up on top, pinned on top of the chat. So talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know where we're at. This is an awesome channel because we're building an awesome community with you guys. So while you do those things, remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. Bro, don't want to go out. Oh, let's go here. Let's see if it goes out. There we go. Like, what's up, right? Hex is pumping, though. That's fine, man. That's fine. A lot of things are pumping. It's a bull market again. We can talk about it tomorrow, though, right? If it's pumping, why you want to look at it? It's already pumping. You know, are you looking for bearish divergence? Are you looking for a potential stop? Right? I'm not sure. So, if it's pumping, it's too late. We should have looked at it before it pumped. You gotta find the stuff before it pumps. Once it pumps, it's too late. It's already going. You probably buy the top. You're gonna get wrecked. You want to buy before things start moving, right? That being said, guys, thanks for being here again. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then,